Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw Drift's mask in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I'll show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with the eye area first. And I know this might be a little bit tricky, but let's just take it step by step. So we're going to start out with the in between the eye, so we're just going to draw almost two straight lines, giving a slight curve, but you can draw it straight. And then we're going to go out with a slight slant. This is going to be the eyebrow area. And then from here, we're going to go slant up even more. Okay, so it's going to go up pretty far. And then once we have this angle here, from the corner, we're just going to come down. Okay, slightly slanted inward, but it's okay if you draw it straight as too. And then from here, we're going to come across. Okay, and then we just, from here, we're just going to connect that, so there's going to be one sharp corner. Alright, and then for the inside of the eye, so here, this part gets a little bit tricky. So from here, just kind of come down in the middle somewhere, and we're going to curve this down all the way down to here. Okay, so we're starting here, and we're just going to draw one curve all the way to the corner there. Okay, and then now we're actually going to draw in the eye area. So we can actually draw one line in here, and just kind of dip it down, and then we're just going to close it with a nice curve. So start out here on the top, and then we're going to dip it down, and then now we're going to close this off with a nice curve. Alright, so this area is going to be black, so let me just shade it in. Probably help to see this eye a little bit better. So it's a lot of little tricky curves, but and once we have this eye, it's actually the rest of the drawing is a little bit easier. Okay, so from here, we're gonna draw his nose. So just come down the corner here, draw like a big V, and then give this a little bit thickness. Just come down slightly, and then we're just gonna give it a bigger V. Okay, and this could be in black, but I'm not gonna shade it in right now. So let's continue on, and we're gonna come down slightly, and this is gonna be his mouth opening here. We're just gonna come across, and then we're gonna hook it down, and we're gonna give it some thickness here. So I'm just gonna shade it in with a Sharpie. Okay, so it's a little bit thicker. Alright, so now let's fill in the face. So this part's it's a little bit tricky as well. On the corner here, let's draw one slant coming down. So start right here in the corner, slant it down, and then now we're gonna curve it both sides. Now we're gonna come straight down, just continue this curve all the way down until you reach to this point here. So we're just gonna curve it, and then we'll close it off with a chin. So a very tricky curve. And then once we have that, now we can add in the little details here. So let's see, the best way to do it is probably just come back up here, find that space, and just draw this line here, and then we're gonna curve this way. Okay, so we're gonna come here, make a little mark, and then we just extend it, just gonna curve it in. And then once you have that curve, you're gonna come here, just follow the edge. And then we're gonna go straight up. And this part's gonna be black, so I'll just shade it in real quick. And I'll probably just do his nose right now, since I've been shading all the other stuff black. Probably look a lot better. Okay, so that's the hardest part. So now the top part's a little bit easier. So from here, let's draw in some of the part in the middle. make a little point there right in the middle, and then we're just gonna draw a very steep V shape, and then we're gonna come in. Okay, and then we can just stop there, and let's draw in this little mark over the eye first. So we're gonna continue this same curve as that, same slant. Let's draw a line there, and then now we're just gonna follow this curve on the bottom. Okay, so we're just following, and then once you have this little angle like this, you can make a point up here, and we'll just connect to that. Okay, so right here, connect. Okay, so just like two, I think you call that trapezoids. Alright, so now let's fill in the rest of the head. So from here, we're gonna go up. We're just gonna curve it up, flatten it out on the top, and then we're gonna come back down and just meet up to that area. Okay, and then now to finish up this area here, start up here, just come to this in the center here. Just draw like a little bracket like this. And then whatever space you have in between here, just connect that. Okay. And then once you have that, and the inside is easy, so we're just gonna give another shape like that. So we're just giving these lines some thickness. So inside, just draw one of that. Alright, so those are the easier parts. And then let's see, it's got another mark here. So from here, just gonna turn in. Okay, here, just curve it around and right over the eye. And then once you have that, we're just gonna go from this corner here, we're gonna come out, and we're just gonna follow the edge or the outside. Okay, so we're just gonna follow the outside, curve it all the way up, and then close it back up. Okay, so that's very, yeah, it's a very cool design. So now for his ears, this part's a little bit easy, and I actually ran out of paper space, so his ears is probably a little bit longer, but I have to make it a little bit shorter. Okay, for the ear, just come out here. The easier way to draw is actually to draw almost like a horn. Okay, so up here, just drawing like almost like a devil's horn. Okay, and then once you have that, now we can draw the outside of it. So we're gonna start here, curve, okay, continue that, and then we're gonna go out this way. And then once you have that, we're gonna come back in this way, and then we're just gonna go all the way around this line here. So it's almost the same thickness, all the way around. Okay, so same thing here. We're gonna just follow that, go up, and then curve out this way. Curve down, and then we're just gonna follow this curve. And that is it for this Drifts mask. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.